Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make another Clash of Clans account. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your current account is connected with Supercell. Then, launch Clash of Clans and tap on the settings icon located on the right side of the screen. Tap on the Supercell icon at the top and a new page will appear. From here, select the settings icon again, scroll down and tap the logout button. Next, choose the Play Without Supercell ID option and complete the tutorial to create a temporary guest account. Once you reach the home screen, tap the settings icon again. Inside the settings menu, tap on the Supercell option and select the register button to create a brand new Supercell account for your second Clash of Clans profile. After successfully registering, go back to the settings menu. Tap the Supercell option again, then tap on the settings icon at the top. Select Switch Account to easily move between your original account and the new one. This way, you can manage multiple Clash of Clans accounts without losing progress on either. So that's basically how you can make another Clash of Clans account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.